Hi, I'm Lasya, and this is my video for the last week of my portfolio. Overall, my experience with my tribe, CS Superheroes, was amazing. And of course, Mitti Cafe. This was the first community service project or social campaign that I've ever done. So when I started, I hardly knew about entrepreneurship. Forget social entrepreneurship. However, with this course and the open house masterclasses, I learned a lot more about the subject. When I began in April, I wasn't clear about what CSR, corporate social responsibility, is. Even though I'd heard about it multiple times from my mother because she works in a social impact consulting firm. During this course, I not only learned that it's simply a collection of money from different companies that they keep aside for social work, but also learned about the various types of social work companies. These include nonprofit organizations or NGOs and profitable organizations. Furthermore, I learned that not only for social businesses, but any business, the golden circle can be a very helpful tool. It simply has three layers consisting of what, how, and why, from the outer layer to the inner. A lot of people market their products by speaking about their features first, then how they have designed the product, and finally why the company was formed in the first place. Sometimes the why isn't even mentioned. However, from not having any knowledge about this tool, I have understood now that it is best to explain the why first when selling a product, as it appeals to the customers the most. And I've created my own golden circle for Miti Cafe too. At the beginning of this journey, I had no idea how to collect user research and hadn't really thought about it before. But now I can classify research into primary and secondary. And I know that empathy maps are a great way to record information when I'm interviewing someone, which can be classified under primary research. During this journey, I researched about empathy maps and even designed my own after interviewing a Miti Cafe employee. Now I know what questions are best to ask for empathy maps, as well as the importance of user research when making a company or forming one. Finally, I learned how to actually put up a campaign and what types of content should be circulated when trying to gather people's attention for a fundraiser. We used posters, videos, and persuasive comments in this project. I also learned about each step that can be taken while setting up a campaign for a fundraiser, including identifying the problem that the organization you're helping is trying to solve, forming your goals based on how much money the cause needs, reaching out to the professional as well as the personal community, and many others that form a great path for success. Of course, recording the number of views, replies, and likes in some cases is really important to track quantitative impact. Oh, did I forget to mention that I learned about the two categories in which impact can be recorded? Yeah, well, qualitative impact is simply regarding the quality of the work done and the experience or learnings that came out of the project. Quantitative impact, on the other hand, is simply the statistics or the number of people we reached out to with this campaign. Now, I'd heard these terms before, but I didn't really know what they meant. During these 8 weeks, though, I not only learned about them, but also wrote reports for each one to track the progress we made as a tribe during this journey, which is definitely a helpful skill. And I think I can use it multiple times later. Overall, this journey was amazing, like I said before, and I learned too many things to count. I'm proud of myself and all my tribe members for working so hard to help Meet Cafe and surpassing our fundraising goal of 50,000 rupees. We raised 55,000. I'm also extremely grateful that campaign gained so many supporters and that my family members had positive remarks for me and were persuaded to donate to the cause too. From starting out with merely tidbits of knowledge, I think I now know enough about the topic to teach a short session about it to others. I'm sure I can educate my friends and family on it too, those who aren't very familiar with social work at least. Like I said, I loved embarking on this journey and I really hope I can do a similar internship in the future. Thank you.